Hey guys, what is up? Brit Tech here, back with another video. And today I'm going to be doing something. Let me turn this AC off. I don't know if you can hear it. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. And I am going to be talking about texting while driving. Some of you may do it. I know I can be guilty. Raise my hand and honestly say that I have been or fallen prey to texting while driving. I've been a victim of that. Well, not really a victim, but I have done it. And it's not something I'm proud of. And I just wanted to talk about it before I went into the actual video that I'm going to be doing. But I just wanted to, talk to you guys and let you know that nothing should be that important to where it jeopardizes your safety and someone else's safety. I just want to encourage you guys, don't text while you're driving. That text can wait and could ultimately save your life and save somebody else's life if you choose to wait and text back when you're safe and you're not driving and on the road. So today's video is just going to be how to enable the do not disturb while driving notification on Apple iPhone 11 in particular. And I just want to share with you guys that people die from this all the time. I don't have the statistics exactly per se, but I just want to share with you guys, texting while driving is not, it's my mom. All right, back to the video. But yeah guys, nothing is more important than your life. That text can wait. And even if you feel like it can't wait, call. We have Siri now with iPhone. Android users, you have Google. I don't know if Google allows you to make phone calls or whatever, or they'll make the phone call for you. But with Apple, we have Siri. Hey, Siri, send a text to this person saying this. And then she'll ask you, is this what you said? She'll send it for you. Or, hey, Siri, make a call to this person on speakerphone. So, a little tongue-tied, but that text can wait and it's not worth your life. And I just want to encourage you guys to not text while you're driving and just be mindful of the road. I don't know if any of you know this, but where your eyes are looking, your hands tend to follow, your body tends to follow. So if you're looking down and you're looking over here, your hand will follow, your body will follow that, and your car will follow that. So I just want to encourage you guys, don't text and drive. So many people, die from this. And there's other people there's other people's lives that you have to think about as well. There's other people's lives that are at stake, because when you decide that you want to go out and you want to drive at all types of speeds and look down and answer that text, you're putting other people's lives at risk and at danger. And I don't know about you, but me personally, I don't want to be responsible for killing someone else because I was reckless or I didn't think about the repercussions of texting while driving. So yeah guys, I'm going to insert a little snippet here of how to enable those notifications on Apple iPhone. Okay guys, so go ahead and go to your settings and then scroll down to screen time and select it. And then we're going to go to content and privacy restrictions and select that. And then as you can see, everything is disabled and turned off. You can't click anything. So you got to go back up to the top and you have to swipe right on content and privacy restrictions to enable it. And then we're going to go ahead and scroll down to do not disturb while driving. And select that. And mine is set to allow. If yours is set to don't allow, then go ahead and just click allow. And this will enable the notifications while you are driving. If someone texts you, they will get this notification. So this will be really good for those who are tempted to text while driving. Okay, guys, so I really hope you enjoyed that. If you have an iPhone, that demonstration was done on an iPhone 11. So if you have an iPhone, by all means, please enable this while you're driving, and just stay safe on the roads. Remember, your life and that other person's life is not worth less than a text. Your life is worth more than a text message. Just want to encourage you to stay beautiful, stay positive, stay true to yourself. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.